This is a series of videos. Please refer to the methods of stitches, ignoring the yarn color. Select the corresponding yarn colors in your material package to turn. Please refer to both the videos and the instructional brochure during. This pendant is made of boneless milk cotton. Then a total of 2 colors are used. The tool is also very simple. A 3.0 crochet hook. Then a sewing needle. And there's a K-cane. Then the eyes are 5. That's 6. Well, the 5 grain milk noodles use 6mm eyes. If the bottom is flat, then if it is flat, you need to pinch it with glue, hot melt glue or alcohol glue. Then, there is also a piece of black boneless. A black thread that broke your bones. Look at this black line. Let's take it apart first. Take a strand out and then let's cut a section and we'll mark it later. Just cut a short. Used as a mark. Okay, we take out. Take out the boneless milk cotton. Anyway, we are 2 colors, one light and one dark. Then green is also a light color and a dark color. Then let's tick a blue now. Also use a light color and a dark color. This is a diagram. The diagram I use for printing is black and white. Then the material bag is matched with the color. Let's use a blue. Okay, let's take out the light blue thread. Wrap the wire around the index finger. Remove after winding. A circle lets us go from. Let's go through the middle of the coil. Hold the thread between your middle finger and ring finger. Hook out. Then unhook the clamp line. Well, the coil is set up now, and what about us now? There are 6 short stitches in this loop. Then we take the line with the left hand. Every episode talks about how the left hand leads the line. Pinky hook line. Hold down the hook. Then turn your palms over. After turning over, push your index finger up under the lower line. Good. See it again. Pinky hook line. Go around, come in from the outside. Then turn the whole palm over. Index finger push out. Then pinch this coil with your thumb and middle finger. Then inside the middle coil, we hook 6 short stitches. Hook out. Then take the 2 loops on the crochet hook at once. Go through the large loop in the middle of the line and hook the line out. Then hook the thread through the 2 loops on the crochet hook. Now it's 2 needles. A V shape is a stitch. A V shape is a stitch. Then hook the line with 2 coils. Hook line with 2 loops. 12:30 for then we finish the remaining 2 stitches. Then after hooking it up, we tighten the thread. Just put the line in the middle and the circle in the middle. Shrink to no circle. Good. Then we tick the second line now. The second line is 6 volts. It is the addition of 6 short stitches. Then we take this thread. We don't need to mark the deduction. We're stuck right here with this thread. If there is a mark buckle, it can also be buckled on the last stitch or the first stitch. Then we are in. No, of the first line. Go inside the first stitch of the first circle. Then hook it out. A short needle, or go inside the first needle. Hook the line and come out with 2 short stitches. Then, let's hook this second line now. What about the second line? That is 6 or 6 short stitches plus stitches. Wear it in, hook it out. Still in the second stitch. Then the third stitch to stitches. To stitches in stitch 4. Fifth stitch. Okay, now pin 6. After crocheting this circle, there are 12 stitches in total. We can go back and count the number of stitches. For 1623 and mark this. This one inside this thread. Put it outside. Or stick to the right. The stitch we finished with the last stitch. Put it outside. Okay, let's tick the third line. The third line is 6. Short stitches and then add stitches every other stitch. For a total of, it is 6 groups of a short needle. An extra needle. Well, the next stitch is a short stitch. A short stitch. Repeat 6 times to complete this line. Okay, let's go to this line first. After hooking, let's look at the fourth line. The fourth row is separated by 2 short needles. Then add another stitch. We hook up the landline number now. Here is the last stitch. We are now hooking the first stitch of row 4. Then 1 or 2 in the next stitch. This group. The order is 1 1 to 1 1 to like this. 1 1 then 2 After knowing this rule, can just look at the diagram. Don't have to watch the video. Then we put this line 1 1 2. Check it out. Okay, tick this line. What about after ticking? Let's see where we end up. This is where we mark where the black thread ends. Then we tick the fifth line. In the fifth row, add 1 stitch every 3 stitches. Are the same as the previous rules, just non-stop. That is, the number of stitches every other row needs to add 1 more stitch. Two, 3, 4 for 5 together. 12. 3 then 4 and 5 together. 1 2 3 4 and 5 together. 1 2 3 45 together. Then 1 2 3 4 and 5 together.